Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to receive international payments in Payoneer. So for this, first of all, create an account on Payoneer and log in. Once you are logged in, now click on Get Paid in the left side. From here, we have Request a Payment option. Click on it. So here, as I click on Payment Request, a new interface will open. Now here, you need to choose some answers. So first of all, I will Like if you are a freelancer, so you need to add your profile link here. If you are a businessman, you need to add the URL of your website here. So if I click on submit, so as you can see here, you need to fulfill some requirements. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so here they will ask some your business portfolio. So you need to answer some of their questions here and add your profile links. Now, if I go back, so there you need to provide your visual verification, so like government issued a photo ID. Click on submit, and there you need to submit the front and back of the government ID, then your visual identity verification, and then verify your address. So, in this way, after providing all the details, you can start receiving international payments in Payoneer. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.